So now, good morning, students. So today we are going to again continue the same chapter, chapter number 5, e-commerce. So last time we have completed the meaning of e-commerce and the benefits of e-commerce. So e-commerce means transaction conducted over a network using computer and telecommunication. So here buying transaction is buying and selling is done with the help of the computer, mobile phone and telecommunication. So through the internet. So this is a e-commerce. So e-commerce means commercial transaction in which an order is placed electronically and goods or services are delivered in tangible or electronic form. So this is a e-commerce where we order the goods, we have purchased the goods with the help of internet, computer here from your computer, laptop, mobile phone, from different companies like Amazon, Flipkart. So there are many companies, those are selling goods online. So we are ordering the goods and we are also paying digitally by our internet, online transaction, internet banking, or by UPI payment can be done. So in this way, this is e-commerce. So it is very important nowadays. So again, we have done the benefits of e-commerce over our traditional commerce. In our traditional commerce, where the buyers and the sellers, they used to meet each others, but because of this e-commerce now, the buyers and the sellers may not physically meet each others nowadays, because they can meet virtually by video conference or with the help of any media. So physically they do not meet, whereas in traditional commerce, the buyers and the sellers, they meet each other physically. But here in the e-commerce, here they do not meet physically. Here they meet each other with the help of the digital, electronically they meet each other. So that's why we can reach anywhere. That's first benefit we have done in the last class. Global reach, global choice. We can reach anywhere electronically, digitally. We can, by telecommunication, we can reach to the customers who are scattered throughout the world. So we can reach them, we can convince them, we can suggest them, we can advise them, we can explain, give the explanation, so briefing about our product, or make them aware to buy our product. So in this way, that's why first benefit of e-commerce is global reach. And next point, we have done the improvement of the improved competitiveness, quality of service. Because of this e-commerce, so people are now getting the good quality goods at a cheaper price also. This we have done in the last class. Anyway, this is again a briefing of the last class, what we have done. Mass customization products, so personal. So we, with the help of the consumers feedback, we can make the necessary changes, alteration in the product. Now the company may changes as per the taking the suggestion feedbacks of the consumers. There is a customized product are given to the consumers, tailored product, customized product as per the choice preference of the consumers. The goods are manufactured. So shorten or eradicate the supply chain. Next, number 4 point is shorten or eradicate the supply chain. There is a, before, if you see the traditional market, there is a huge gap, the producer and the consumers. There is a huge gap in between the producer and consumers. There are a lot of middlemen involved in that transaction from the producer to the consumers. The goods that are going from the producer to the consumers, there is a number of middlemen. And they are adding their profit and selling goods to the other. So in this way, now because of the e-commerce, all these middlemen has been eradicated. They are wiped out from this chain, making the distance between the producers and the consumer shorten, and also that reduce the cost of the cost of the production less, reduce the cost, because the middlemen are now eliminated, they are wiped out, they are eradicated because of this e-commerce. So this also benefits that will, and the quick delivery of the goods, and the reduce people, consumers are getting the goods at a reduced price. So this is also the advantages or benefit for the consumers. Again, we have also done substantial savings. So one of the major contribution of this e-commerce is transaction cost. Just now I have said about it, because of the middleman is wiped out, middleman is eradicated now. So whatever profit they were adding, so that is now wiped out there, and so they will now, their profit is now will not be added in the goods, because they are wiped out from the chain. So now producer can directly sell the goods to the consumers. So in this way the cost will be reduced, reduction in the cost. So that is what I said. So in this way, novel business opportunity, new product service, everyone who are interested in the business, they can come with the market with the good hope that they will do good in the business sectors. So new markets, new concepts are coming in the market because of the e-commerce. Now people, it will help, it is a blessing for the people who are interested in the business. They want to establish their own business. Maybe they have a shortage of fund, but now because of the e-commerce, that make it possible for the new entrepreneurs to come up with the new innovative ideas, new concept of doing the business. So this is a ray of hope for the small investors, those who are interested to do the business. So those who have a new concept also, it is very blessing for them. So convenient, also convenience transactions, since it is online, being online connected the producer and consumers electronically, digitally. So it's not like in traditional market, the office hour, the business hour is there is a certain limitation of business hour, from morning 8 to evening 8 o'clock, morning 7 to evening 7 o'clock, or morning 9 to evening 5 o'clock. There is a certain time limitation here in the traditional commerce or traditional marketing, traditional business. But now because of this e-commerce, now there is no time barrier. So it is convenient, anytime you can, anytime. It is 24 hours, 7 weeks in a days. That means there is no like any time restriction here. So it is 365 days, 24 hours business. So that is 24-hour business, 7 days in a week, 365 days in a year. So from anywhere you can access the business. So from anywhere you can order the goods from anywhere, any corner of the world. If you have internet facilities, if you have a device to connect the consumers, if you have that communicating facilities to link the consumers, you can take the benefit of that device network, and you can you can order your product. So in this way, this is such a flexible, a great convenient to the buyer as well as seller also. So this e-commerce has made our society a paperless. Here you can give an order digitally, invoices are sent digitally. So you can also pay the taxes to the government. GST can be paid to the businessman, can pay GST electronically, digitally. So you can file your income tax, business tax, income tax, property tax, any kind of taxes paid to the government can be done with the help of e-commerce, digitally, electronically. You can pay. So this is you can also obtain the license from the government, applying online digitally, and you can also get the license approval from the government and digitally. So this has made the business sector a very wide. So this is a blessing of e-commerce to the business. So fast, very speed. So the buyers and sellers involve action information with a very short period of time, within a click of mouse. Just one click of mouse enough to exchange the information between the buyers and sellers. So it's a very fast, very speed. So just what you need is internet connection, within a click of one click is enough to share the information. So lower investment, those who are interested in business, if they have a small amount of capital also, they can start, if their concept of business is good. So if they want to start business with the help of small amount also, anyone can start the business, but you need a one laptop or one computer and good internet connections, you can start the business. So this is the e-commerce blessing benefits of e-commerce. So this is the meaning of e-commerce and the benefits of e-commerce. So now e-tailoring. What do you mean by it? Another topic is now e-tailoring. E-tailoring means selling goods retail on the internet. When selling goods, business to consumers, a company is selling good. This is B2C. B2C. A businessman is selling goods to the consumers online. So this is e-tailoring. The businessman, a company is selling direct goods to consumer is known as an e-tailoring. So e-tailoring means selling goods in retail on the internet. When a company is selling goods to the consumers, the company to consumer, the business to consumer, B2C. This is B2C. This is not just Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal. They are selling goods directly to consumers. This is known as an e-tailoring. So only the meaning is enough. E-tailoring means connecting retail selling a consumer. It is B2C sale. B2C businessman. They are selling goods to consumer, like Amazon is selling goods to consumers. Flipkart is selling goods to consumers. Snapdeal is selling goods to consumers. So this is known as an e-tailoring. So the meaning is enough. Another is now e-advertising. Electronic advertising. Electronic advertising means the advertisement. Now before we had to do advertisement, newspaper, TV advertising, but like this here, digital advertising. So electronic advertising. So e-advertising is an electronic advertising, sending message to the consumers over the internet. It is not also known as online advertising. So advertising done through the help of the internet is known as an e-advertising, also known as an online advertising. Internet advertising are also known as web advertising. So it involves an advertiser who provide advertisement to display on the website and publish, who integrate different advertisement on his website. So you can also open one website and you can upload your advertising contents in the website. So you can, in this way, you can make your goods popular. This is known as anyway, it is internet advertising. So this meaning is only the meaning of e-advertising. So another we have a e-marketing. E-marketing is making the goods reach to the consumers. So it is also the way of making the consumers aware. So e-marketing is electronic marketing, is the process of marketing here, marketing of product and services on the internet, email, and